Hey everyone, this is attorney Shawn Haff. I'm here to talk about another quick tip about what to look for when you hire a lawyer. Folks, there's a lot of lawyers that like to brag about trial experience. They talk about all these cases they've taken to trial. The reality of the situation is most cases should not go to trial and most cases resolved by a plea deal. I know some people they brag about, oh, I have all this trial experience and they've probably lost and they've gone to trial 98% of the time. If you've taken 100 cases to trial and only gotten two not guilty verdicts, is that really something to brag about? The answer is no. I would suggest they brush up on their negotiation skills if that case is going to trial. Now, another thing that people need to be aware of is even when you talk about a not guilty verdict, you have to be careful and dive in deeper as to what that entails. If somebody went to trial on four charges and a lawyer got a not guilty verdict, well, then they're being truthful about getting a not guilty verdict, but the person very well may have been convicted of three other charges. And what happens if they're facing a serious charge but get convicted of a lesser offense? Is that really doing that great of a job? Because why couldn't you have pled the case down to a lesser offense? I've had that happen numerous times where a client was facing a very serious charge, but I was able to negotiate something down to a lesser offense, save my clients a trial fee, save them the time and hassle, and keep them out of jail. There's always a chance you could lose at the most serious charge. And if the evidence is strong as that, there's no reason to take a case to trial. And there's certainly no reason for a lawyer to be bragging about their trial experience when they took a hopeless case to trial and got a not guilty verdict. They can spin it all they want. The case never should have went to trial in the first place. Now, there are plenty of cases where you need to go to trial, and if that's the case, then by all means take your case to trial. Don't take your case to trial just assuming that because a lawyer you hire brags about how many cases they've taken to trial, that it's in your best interest to take a trial. Ask your lawyer what their winning percentage is when it comes to taking cases to trial. Ask them how many cases they've lost. We've all lost some cases at trial. So, be careful when it comes to that. Anyways, this is attorney Shawn Haff with another quick tip. I'll be back again soon.